Hey guys, so I wanted to wish you a Happy New Year and let you know that Princess House has a new website and we're really excited about it. It's been a long time in the making and millions of dollars, but I want you to go and check it out and see all the new things. So I will post a link below. It'll be easy for you to find it. It's basically www.princesshouse.com/lbradley and you'll come to the site. So what's really nice about it is you'll be able to see nice large pictures of the products. You can search by category, you can search by product number, and you'll be able to see all the different items that we have. And I'd love for you to check out the site and let us know what you think. You can also search for recipes, which is something that I love. You can either search by a specific item, such as, chicken or beef, or you can actually put in the product that you're looking to use, an 8-quart casserole, and it'll give you recipes for that as well. One of the things that I'm really excited about, though, is you're going to be able to order directly from the website, and a lot of people have asked for that. So you'll be able to go to the website and there'll be a little space that says open parties, and you'll be able to drop down, and every month I will have one that basically just says order here, and you can place whatever orders you want. So if you want to take advantage of any sales that are not, you don't know anybody having a party, you can go ahead and just do that. So please check out the website. I will put the link below and let us know what you think, especially if you find any bugs, because whenever something's new, it takes a little while to get going. So check it out, and I look forward to seeing you soon.